In this video, we are going to talk about shocking ways to earn money. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Here's the list of shocking ways to earn money, so let's start. Number 1. Plan parties and showers. Why not turn your expertise in event coordination into a lucrative career? Choosing a motif or color scheme for the party, deciding on invitations to send out, shopping for materials, and putting up the event are all part of the responsibilities associated with party planning. Your price should be anywhere between 10 and 20% of the overall spending budget for the party as a decent rule of thumb to follow. Getting people to recognize your name will be the most challenging aspect of this process, but it is not impossible. Start promoting your business by sharing information and deals on social media, and create a website where people may see your portfolio of work. Establish connections with each and everyone who may be able to assist you in getting started. Number 2. Answer questions. Do members of your family and friends often ask you questions because they are certain that you will be able to locate an answer more quickly than they can? You may put your knowledge of Google to good use by responding to questions posted online. You may earn money by providing answers to people's questions on websites such as justanswer.com, experts123.com, and Maven. Company. It is to your advantage, although it is not necessarily required, if you have a deep understanding of the topic at hand. Number 3. Chat. You may make money using websites like Cambly if you are a native English speaker and you interact online with individuals who are trying to improve their English language skills. Your mission is to create an atmosphere in which the student may practice their English in a natural environment while also guiding them through any required modifications. Since you are free to discuss anything, if you are someone who enjoys making small chats and expanding their knowledge of other people and cultures, this can be the perfect job for you. Number 4. Rent your spare room. It's likely that you're already familiar with the concept of renting out a spare bedroom through a site like Airbnb. But you may not be aware that you can also rent out a spare room as an office space to other businesses. Desk time allows you to interact with individuals who are interested in renting out office space, and you have the option of charging on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Make productive use of that unused space. Number 5. Be a friend. You may offer your time on rentafriend.com to be leased for almost any activity, such as being a gym companion, touring someone around town, or attending sports events. You can choose your costs, in addition to having the chance to experience new things and meet new people along the way. Number 6. Give your opinion. Businesses are keen to know what they can make that will appeal to you, the customer, since we live in a consumer world. You may earn money on findfocusgroups.com just by offering your opinion in a focus group environment. Number 7. Play video games. It may seem strange that someone would want to watch another person play video games for the sake of making money, yet this kind of thing happens all the time on the internet. My own men spend an inordinate amount of time watching gaming videos and live broadcasts. If you have a humorous or engaging personality, are good at a certain video game, and can make entertaining commentary, you may be able to earn some great money from ads on sites like YouTube and Twitch. This is especially true if you are quite adept at the video game in question. Number 8. Take photos. If you have access to photography equipment and love taking pictures, you may be able to turn your hobby into a source of income by offering your photographs for sale as stock photography. Contributors are welcomed on sites such as iStock and Shutterstock, and payment is determined by the total number of times their photographs are downloaded. Number 9. Get fit. You may generate money in your region by providing fitness lessons in the boot camp style if you are a person who is passionate about physical fitness and enjoys inspiring and motivating others. You should get together on the weekends in the mornings and charge around $10 per person for each hour. You should make sure that your courses are both entertaining and difficult, and you should encourage participants to bring their friends. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.